Our bodies are a marvel of intricate systems, all working in unison. But there's a hidden conductor, a network so vast and complex that it puts everything else to shame. This is the nervous system, the silent ruler of our inner world. It's a world of electrical impulses, chemical messengers, and intricate pathways. All our movements, thoughts, and feelings are orchestrated by this unseen force. We may not see it or touch it, but the nervous system is as real and tangible as the skin on our hands. It's a physical network of cells, stretching from the brain down to the tips of our fingers and toes. This network is constantly buzzing with activity, sending and receiving signals that dictate every aspect of our existence. The brain, often called the control center, is only one part of this intricate story. Nerves, like intricate highways, carry information throughout the body. These pathways connect our senses to our brain, allowing us to perceive the world around us. They also connect our brain to our muscles, enabling us to move and interact with our environment. The nervous system, for all its importance, remains a mystery to many. We benefit from its intricate workings every second of our lives, yet we often take it for granted. It's like a silent partner, working tirelessly behind the scenes, while we reap the rewards of its labor. But this lack of awareness can be a double-edged sword. When we don't understand how something works, we're less likely to appreciate its value. We may also struggle to recognize when something goes wrong and how to seek help. Part of the problem is that the nervous system operates on a scale that's hard to fathom. It's a vast and intricate network that governs everything from our thoughts and emotions to our movements and sensations. We're talking about billions of neurons, each capable of forming thousands of connections. These connections, or synapses, are the communication highways of our brain, transmitting signals at lightning speed. The sheer number of interactions happening within our brains and bodies every second is simply mind-boggling. Imagine a bustling city with millions of people, each one interacting with others in countless ways. This is a glimpse into the complexity of our nervous system. It's no wonder that many people feel overwhelmed by the sheer complexity of the nervous system. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to understand. The scientific jargon, the intricate diagrams, and the sheer volume of information can be intimidating, even for those with a keen interest in science. Terms like neuroplasticity and synaptic pruning can sound like a foreign language, but it doesn't have to be this way. Understanding the nervous system can be accessible and even enjoyable. Just as we can learn to appreciate a complex piece of music without understanding every note, we can grasp the essence of the nervous system without getting bogged down in technical details. Think of it as appreciating the beauty of a symphony without needing to read the sheet music. The key is to find the right approach, one that breaks down complex concepts into digestible pieces, using relatable examples and engaging language. This way, even the most intricate ideas can become clear and comprehensible. It's about making the invisible visible, connecting the abstract to the everyday experiences that shape our lives. By doing so, we can bridge the gap between complex scientific concepts and our daily understanding, making the wonders of the nervous system accessible to all. Understanding the nervous system is not just about satisfying our intellectual curiosity. It has real-world implications for our health and well-being. When we understand how this system works, we're better equipped to take care of it. For instance, knowing how stress affects the nervous system can empower us to develop coping mechanisms and live healthier lives. Similarly, understanding the link between our nervous system and mental health can help us recognize early warning signs and seek timely intervention. Moreover, appreciating the nervous system's role in learning and memory can help us adopt strategies to enhance our cognitive function and maintain brain health as we age. This knowledge empowers us to become active participants in our own well-being. The good news is that the journey to understanding the nervous system doesn't require a medical degree or years of specialized training. You don't need to be a neuroscientist or a doctor to appreciate the marvels of this complex network. With the right resources and a curious mind, anyone can unlock the secrets of this incredible system. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone with a thirst for knowledge, the nervous system is accessible to all. Think of it as embarking on an adventure, a voyage into the inner workings of your own being. Imagine yourself as an explorer, navigating through the intricate pathways and discovering the hidden treasures within. This journey will take you through the bustling highways of your nerves, where signals travel at lightning speed, ensuring that every part of your body communicates seamlessly. The intricate control centers of your brain, which serve as the command hub for all your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Here, billions of neurons work in harmony to process information and make decisions, and the delicate balance of chemicals that orchestrate your every move. These neurotransmitters are the messengers that relay signals between neurons, ensuring that your body functions smoothly. Along the way, you'll encounter fascinating facts, mind-blowing discoveries, and groundbreaking research that continues to push the boundaries of our understanding. And perhaps even a newfound appreciation for the miracle of your own existence. You'll realize how every thought, every movement, and every sensation is a testament to the incredible capabilities of your nervous system. You'll begin to see the world around you and the intricate web of connections that make life possible in a whole new light, and your place within it in a whole new light. You'll understand how your interactions, your environment, and even your thoughts can influence your nervous system. So, let's embark on this journey together to uncover the mysteries and marvels of the nervous system, to demystify the nervous system, and explore the wonders of this hidden universe that resides within each and every one of us. Together, we'll delve into the science, the stories, and the sheer wonder of the nervous system, making the complex both understandable and fascinating. Imagine the nervous system as a vast and intricate kingdom, a realm of endless complexity and coordination. At its helm are two powerful commanders, the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. These two entities work in tandem to maintain the kingdom's stability and functionality. Like wise rulers, they divide their responsibilities, each managing a distinct domain within the body. The CNS and PNS are like a general and a diplomat, each with their own unique roles and strategies. The CNS, comprising the brain and spinal cord, is the seat of power. It is the central hub where all critical decisions are made and where the most vital functions are controlled. It's the command center where information is processed, decisions are made, and orders are issued. This is where the brain's incredible processing power comes into play, analyzing data and orchestrating responses. Picture it as the bustling capital of the nervous system kingdom, where information flows in and out like diplomatic envoys. Just as a capital city is the heart of a nation, the CNS is the heart of our nervous system. The PNS, on the other hand, acts as the kingdom's vast network of messengers and scouts. It is responsible for relaying information from the outer reaches of the body back to the CNS. It's composed of nerves that extend throughout the body, carrying information to and from the CNS. These nerves are like the kingdom's highways, ensuring that messages are delivered swiftly and accurately. Think of these nerves as the kingdom's intricate network of roads and highways, connecting every corner of the realm to the central command. This network is essential for maintaining communication and coordination throughout the body. The CNS and PNS work in perfect harmony, constantly communicating to ensure the smooth functioning of the entire nervous system. This seamless interaction is what allows us to perform complex tasks and respond to our environment. It's a remarkable partnership, a testament to the body's incredible ability to organize and coordinate complex actions. The collaboration between the CNS and PNS is a marvel of biological engineering. Understanding these two branches of the nervous system is key to unraveling the mysteries of how we perceive the world, control our movements, and experience the full spectrum of human emotions. By studying the CNS and PNS, we gain insight into the very essence of what it means to be human. The brain, the crown jewel of the central nervous system, is often compared to a computer, but it's far more complex and powerful than any machine ever created. Housed within the protective shell of the skull, it's a world unto itself, a universe of neurons firing and connecting, generating thoughts, emotions, and memories. Imagine the brain as a bustling metropolis with billions of citizens, the neurons constantly communicating and interacting. Each neuron is a tiny information processor, receiving signals from other neurons, processing them, and transmitting new signals to other parts of the brain. Connecting the brain to the rest of the body is the spinal cord, a long, delicate structure that runs down the back. Think of it as the nervous system's superhighway, a vital conduit for information traveling between the brain and the periphery, protected within the bony vertebrae of the spine. The spinal cord is like a high-security communication cable, transmitting messages with incredible speed and precision. Sensory information from the body travels up the spinal cord to the brain, while motor commands from the brain travel down the cord to muscles and glands. But the spinal cord is more than just a passive messenger. It also houses circuits of neurons capable of independent action. These circuits are responsible for reflexes, rapid, involuntary responses to stimuli that bypass the brain altogether. Imagine touching a hot stove. The peripheral network. Your body's intelligence system. Extending from the spinal cord like branches from a tree trunk are the nerves of the peripheral nervous system. These nerves, bundles of long, thin nerve fibers, reach every corner of the body, forming a vast and intricate communication network. Think of the peripheral nervous system as the body's intelligence system, constantly gathering information about the internal and external environment and relaying it back to the central nervous system. This information comes from sensory receptors, specialized cells located in our skin, muscles, organs, and even our blood vessels. Communication is key. The language of nerves. The nervous system is all about communication, but instead of words, it uses a language of electrical and chemical signals, a language that is both rapid and precise. Understanding this language is key to unraveling the mysteries of how the nervous system works. Imagine a neuron as a tiny battery, maintaining an electrical difference between its inside and outside. When a neuron receives a strong enough signal from its neighbors, it fires, sending an electrical impulse, called an action potential, racing down its length. Imagine yourself on a peaceful walk through the woods. Sunlight filters through the leaves, dappling the forest floor with light and shadow. Birdsong fills the air, a symphony of nature's orchestra. You breathe deeply, enjoying the fresh air and the tranquility of your surroundings. Unaware, your nervous system is already hard at work, processing a constant stream of information from your environment. Your eyes send signals to your brain, painting a vivid picture of the lush greenery, the rough bark of trees, the dappled sunlight on the path ahead. Your ears pick up the chirping of crickets, the rustling of leaves underfoot, the distant call of a woodpecker. As you round a bend in the path, your senses pick up a change in the environment. The birdsong, once so lively, has dwindled to an uneasy silence. The air, previously filled with the scent of pine and earth, now carries a faint but unmistakable musky odor. Your heart rate quickens, your pupils dilate, allowing more light to reach your eyes. Unbeknownst to you, your nervous system has already shifted gears, transitioning from a state of peaceful observation to a heightened state of alertness. Deep within your brain, the amygdala, the center for processing fear and threat, has sprung into action. Suddenly, you spot it, a black bear, foraging for berries just off the path. Your breath catches in your throat, your muscles tense, poised for action. In that split second, your nervous system faces a critical decision, fight or flight. Your brain, weighing the potential threat, makes a judgment call. This bear, though large and powerful, seems more interested in berries than in you. The fight or flight response, though still active, begins to subside. Your heart rate gradually slows. Your breathing returns to normal. The adrenaline rush recedes, replaced by a wave of relief. You take a step back, putting distance between yourself and the bear, and continue on your walk. Your senses still heightened, but your body no longer on high alert. As we've explored, the nervous system is far more than just a collection of cells and signals. It's the maestro of our being, orchestrating the symphony of our lives. From the simplest reflex to the most profound emotion, every aspect of our existence is shaped by this intricate network. Understanding its structure and function is akin to appreciating the composer's score, revealing the intricate melodies and harmonies that make us who we are, just as a symphony blends various instruments to create a harmonious whole. And the nervous system seamlessly integrates its various components. The central and peripheral systems, the brain, the spinal cord, and the vast network of nerves. To maintain our health, well-being, and very survival. Share your thoughts below and explore more about this amazing system.